Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube doesn't work on my Chrome browser. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to play a YouTube video, but it keeps crashing, freezing, or just simply doesn't play. How do you actually fix that on your Chrome browser? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So what I essentially tried was that I tried to reinstall Chrome. I cleared all my history and cache on Chrome. I updated my MacBook. None of that worked. What essentially ended up working for me was that on your Chrome browser, when you play a YouTube video, you want to keep note of which extensions are actually activated on your browser. Next, click on this Manage Extension button and then click on Manage Extensions. And then afterwards, you want to go ahead and turn off each extension that's related to YouTube one by one. So turn off each extension one by one until your video starts to play and starts working. That's what ended up working for me, and it turned out that TubeBuddy, which is an extension that I had for years, was the reason why my YouTube video kept crashing or not playing. So I hope you found this video helpful, everyone. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.